Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a super easy bracelet that looks like this. All you will need to make this bracelet is some wool. So to make the bracelet you will need some string. I'm using 2 colours. You can use as many colours as you want. If you want to make a bracelet, so if you use this amount of string, it'll be half the size. So make sure you get double the amount to how long you want it to be. So the first thing you have to do is that you need someone to help you. So I'm going to use Kyla, my sister. And so you need one person gets the one end of the string, the other person gets the other end of the string, and you twist it in opposite directions. So you twist it. You can twist it as much as you want. If you want it to be small and look really like cute and small, twist it more. If you want it to be a little bit bigger, twist it less. And after when you think you twisted it enough, one person still holds the other end, and I still hold the other end as well. I put my finger in the middle, and I get the other end of my finger, so it looks like this. And then I let go, and then you just push it down. So it all goes to the end, like this. So then it's going to look like this. Then you tie a knot in the top so it'll stay there. So you just tie it here. And then you tied the knot. And then you got your little bracelet. So it's going to look like this. You could make it bigger or smaller, your choice. And it's really nice. And you can put it on wherever you want. You can decorate it with your bedroom. You can make it as a bracelet. You can put it on your zipper. And it's just really cute and it's really fun to make. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye!